AI is often misunderstood. Most people think it's just a chatbot, but the real future of AI is about helping humans live better, healthier, and more meaningful lives together. This video shows how AI will improve daily life and what the next level of AI could mean for humanity. The future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans empowered by AI. We'll visit health, education, work, safety, environment, and cities. And the next level of AI. Simple, human, hopeful. Let's begin. AI helps doctors detect disease earlier, spotting tiny patterns humans might miss. That means fewer surprises and more time to act. AI reduces errors, double-checking medications and dosages. It works like a second set of eyes, clear, calm, and always there. AI helps personalize treatment to your body and your life. Meals, meds, movement, balance together. Progress adapts to how you feel today. Less paperwork, more presence, more time to listen. Care reaches farther. Healthier lives, longer walks, longer conversations. Safety without worry. Small wins add up. AI supports the people who care for us, not the other way around. Technology with a heartbeat. Earlier detection. Fewer errors. Care built for you. Better care. More time. Healthier lives. This is what matters. Next, learning for everyone. AI can become a personal tutor for everyone. Learn at your own pace, in any language, anywhere in the world. Teachers remain central. AI supports, not replaces them. Insights, not orders. More time for real connection. Creativity gets a companion. Skills become visible. Knowledge travels anywhere. Tools that make learning easier for every brain. Communication without barriers. Lifelong learning, truly lifelong. A classroom as big as the world. Curiosity never sleeps. Understanding multiplies when shared. Opportunity expands. Teachers lead. Next, more meaning at work. AI handles repetitive tasks, so humans can focus on creativity, empathy, and innovation. Less burnout. More energy for the craft. Fewer headaches. AI as a collaborator, not a boss. It suggests. You decide. Flow over friction. Data becomes a second sight. Craft meets precision. Time returns. More meaningful work. More space to create. Next, safer, more accessible lives. AI improves road safety, streets that look out for us. Faster, smarter emergency response. Accessibility that fits into life. Conversations unlocked. Independence supported. Help that respects how your mind works. Tools that open doors. Communication simplified. Prepared, not panicked. Systems that stay ready. Small fixes, big safety. Helping people live more independently. Dignity, always. Next, smarter energy, cleaner air. AI helps optimize energy, reduces waste, and saves resources. In agriculture, data guides every drop of water. Nature and tech, in rhythm. More food, less waste. Cities that move with us, not against us. Cleaner paths to breathe. Resilience built in. Small improvements, applied globally, can change the planet. Healthier cities, happier people. Next, AI that improves how it improves. The next level of AI goes even further. AI will improve its own problem-solving methods. It will test ideas, learn from mistakes, and refine solutions faster than humans can. But humans stay in control. This kind of AI is built to assist humanity, not replace it. Faster discovery for climate, health, and beyond. Ambition with guardrails. Humans make the call. Tools that get better at helping us. And we choose where to go next. The future is not about AI taking over. It's about humans solving bigger problems with better tools. If you want a positive, practical view of the future, subscribe for more. Together, we can make it real.